This video will show you how to install your replacement tilt latches on the bottom sash of a vinyl hung window. The replacement tilt latches will be labeled for left and right. Keep the window locked and replace one tilt at a time. First, use a putty knife to pry out the tilt latches. Pry up on the side of the tilt latch that is furthest from the jamb and slide the tilt latch out towards the center of the window. Once the old tilt latch is removed, install the new one, sliding it into place from the center of the window. Now press down to snap the tilt latch in place. Repeat this process for the opposite tilt latch and test for operation. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com, or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.